Hello everybody, welcome to this new tutorial on how to cook with meat. I'm going to show you now the first 3 steps that you need to know about how to manage your meat before it gets too stiff. So we got here a piece of meat and it needs to be really tender. I cannot explicit this enough. It really needs to be tender as a baby, really as a baby, pretty much. So for that we need to actually start beating the meat into a soft state, and then we go after into putting in other ingredients as spices and such. This didn't work as well as I expected it to work. Yikes, I need to Google something. Through intense lookalikes, I found out in the internet that thanks to Bob Ross, that I have to beat the devil out of it.
Off the excess and just beat the devil out of it.
So we're gonna change meat this time. We're not gonna go with fish like Jesus once did. We're gonna exchange it into beef, because everybody likes beef, right? As you might see, the mass is not very strong together, it just falls apart. We need eggs for that. So we break 2 eggs. And this is the best method to actually break eggs. No shells inside the meat, as you can see. No shells whatsoever. Clean. It's just clean. Thank you. We take now the prepared meat and we wrap it up around with some plastic foil. Make small balls that you can curl in your hand and start beating the shit out of it. You don't need to have all the same size. Some can be smaller, some can be bigger, some can be round, some can be an egg. Doesn't matter. Consistency of the balls is pretty wacky. It's not quite firm. So we are gonna either put them in the freezer for like 10 minutes or on the fridge for 30. So we finished our first batch on the meatballs. Now, something special about these meatballs. They've been punched, exercised, and they've been done vegan. There's nothing else that you cannot do with these meatballs. Alright. And do I want to make it even gross? Grosser than it already is? Most likely. Shit. Jag har försökt att dra åt 8 sides.